Who brought Kirby back?
Yo, stretch this shit out.
Yo, whatever you do, I can't breathe. Game, whatever you do, don't try it.
Dude, if I put that on, it's gonna be a whole shit.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
Gabe looks like a I appreciate it. You look like a rejected piece.
You know, like those sausage casings? Look like the uncooked ones.
You stretch it out.
Sausage?
You just made it.
Yo, this is how we finesse, bro.
It's there because it works.
Real quick.
Professor Finesse. Honestly, that totally works.
Yeah, it's weird.
That's totally worse. Yo, Anthony, now you can use that shit as a parachute.
Nah, yo, if this shit falls out, I'll just... No. You should have told me before. I look like...
Gabe, try to put a small on.
Like, okay.
A turkey nigga?
Have you ever stopped?
Why are you recording this?
I'm triggered! He's like, yo, put your dick in a quarter roll. Only you would think it's something like that. It's just fucking wet, it does the same job. How you fit that shit, bro? I gotta call that sausage. We should tell him to bring it through.
You ever try to put a regular condom on?
Oh.
Yeah? You know when you're too big for regular condom, it's I
don't have these problems, bro.
Shit, I can't help you then. Well, who knows what I'm talking about?
Here, look. I don't know what a ball is.
Sonny, what the f is that?
Tips and tricks.
Damn, dude, I'm built. What are you talking about?
See, I should have stretched it out before I put it on.
You didn't think. See,
Dude,
now you go. Do you feel exposed?
feel crazy, dude. I feel like I went to the swimming pool, tank top on, and I'm wet.
There's a sheriff right there.
Isn't it a police building?
It's family.
Fucking stupid.
Oh, he's gonna let him go. He's gonna let him go.
What?
That's a good cop. What? I think it's mint. It's mint.
Isn't that my cheese?
Looks like. I mean, I'm not gonna say anything stupid because then the internet's gonna rip me apart. So.
Oh, dude, I saw one in like a textbook like while I was at school.
It's a Ford.
I'm not a fanatic.
It's a Ford.
Yeah, so.
I bet you $100 that tire cover probably cost more than both of our cars.
Probably.
We thought we were done with the R35 bumpers. We were wrong. We were wrong. We were wrong.
Rotary. It's Rotary, guys.
Rotary.
Basics. Look at this. Down to the basics. Down to the basics.
The inside's mint. I love this thing. Damn. Dude, there's no room in here.
Oh, my bad. I'm being shot.
What do you want me to film, Gabe? Him going.
Film it.
Him going.
Look at it. What do you mean? The whole car. Oh, that Rotary. No, when I built 2 of these Rotaries back in the day, best thing ever. So easy. No parts. Well, just a whole bunch of seals and shit. But it was the best fucking experience ever.
See his taillights?
Totally, yeah. Those are customs.
Might do something like that.
Yo, totally different way of looking at motors. It's the best thing ever.
Nah, I didn't tell him to do a burnout. Like, and a day later he goes, dude, I just got H2O, please.
I did not say that at all. None of that was said.
Blah, blah, blah.
I posted a picture of me on the curb. Yeah, I sat down on the curb. I would have been.
40, don't swap it, don't do burnouts, just relax, have a good time. No.
Now what you do? You went, you fucking sent it, now you gotta pay for it. Check out his GoFundMe.
Oh my god. Welded or not?
Should've had you give me chips.
You slacked. If it sucks, I'm gonna join. If it's loud as I'm not going over there.
Go.
Look at all that smoke. That's why I don't want to get involved in that. Oh, what the
That's an
No, what the
Some guys out here breaking into cars. Caught him. Whose man's?
Why is this on the exhaust battle?
Because he has a vagina.
Come on, man.
We can't figure out if we should put it in the American category or the import category.
Import category.
Yeah.
Everybody keeps telling me to do the exhaust battle.
Why wouldn't you just drive the piss out? Go beat that Camaro. It's a Corvette.
I don't know, man.
The
He's
Corvette
doing
literally
it.
slaying right now. You could murk it though.
I don't know. I think he might me up.
No, I'm trying to win the exhaust battle thing.
If you lose, I'm not doing it.
I don't think so, bro. The vet's like taking everything home right now.
It's pretty loud. I don't think I have a chance.
No, your car's way louder than that. Dude, your car's loud as you don't understand. Like, you gotta sit behind it. It is.
All right, I'm gonna see how you do, and then if you, I want to verse you. If I'm gonna get fucked up, but I want to verse
I
you.
gotta talk to Al though.
Yo, you still want to do that roll from like 7 to 180? Yeah, but that's what was check this car out. You guys want to see Grace Pop? Yo, Anton, send it! Go! Do it! Go! I had no idea we were doing an exhaust battle. Let's go. Ready? Are you ready? Let's go!
You're filming for Anton.
Yeah.
So this is how it works. You're his cameraman.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
Andrew! Yeah, show me some ass!
What is he doing?